and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I decided to film a Valentine's Day makeup look for you guys. Hopefully you like it. It's super easy and it's really pretty. It's just the right amount of elegance mixed with a little bit of drama. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more makeup tutorials from me. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And also do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, now let's jump into the tutorial. So for this makeup look, I am using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be using this burnt orange color for my transition shade. I'm just running that along my crease. For my next color, I'm using Love Letter, and I'm going to use this directly under the transition shade. I'm just using this color to help deepen the crease and create a little bit of dimension on the eye. Next, I'm going to be using Red Ochre to deepen my outer V, and I'm also bringing that slightly halfway into my crease. Next, I'm just taking some concealer to lay a base for the center of my lid. I'm going to be using a different lid color, so I want to make sure it's very bright and pigmented. So for my lid color, I'm using Venetian Red, and you're really going to want to make sure you densely pack this all over your lid. Now I'm just going ahead and using that Red Ochre color on my crease to make it a little deeper and define it a little bit more. Using a pencil brush works best for this technique. Next, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Hustler Baby to create that foiled bright lid. I'm just packing this all over my lid. You're also going to want to take that same highlight and apply it to the inner corner of your eyes just to help brighten up your look. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Sephora Liquid Black eyeliner to create a wing. This wing is going to be a thin wing. You don't want to do a thick wing with this look because you're trying to keep it as dainty as possible, but just a thin wing will help to make the eye a little bit more bold. And for lashes, I'm using my favorite Kara lashes, and I'm also going in with my Grande Cosmetics volumizing mascara to help hide that band. For my setting spray, I've been loving the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. I like to spritz it on my face and then go ahead and hit up my highlight just to intensify it a little bit. This makeup setting spray literally keeps my makeup in place all day. For lips, I went with a nude look to go with this bold eye look, and I'm just going in with my NYX Truffled Nude Lip Liner as well as my favorite London Soft Matte Lip Cream to create my nude. And all done. There you have it. That was really quick and easy. It's a really pretty look for the holiday. If you're going on a date night or just hanging out with friends, this is the perfect Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, like, comment, and subscribe.